The following contest is set for one fall. It has a 20-minute time limit. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the dog collar match. Introducing first, from right behind you, weighing in tonight at 220 pounds, he is an Oakland star, baby, from the area. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Serza.
The revolution will not be televised, brother. The revolution will continue in the dynasty. The revolution will not be televised. Will not be televised. Not be televised. The revolution will not be televised.
If you see a wrestler coming your way, get the fuck out the way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to pass it over to the boys on the mic. Here's our commentary team.
Hello, OASIS PRO! What's going on, everybody? Is yours on? I don't know. Is it on? It's on! Can you guys hear me? Right on. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm the microphone Messiah, Philip Antoine. Joining me on commentary, one half of the Pacific Rampage, Jaguar Montoya. Yeah! Your Beastmaster of Ceremonies has arrived! A blood feud to start it off, the most cathartic contest we have on the card here tonight. Once tag team partners, now bitter rivals. Oh, backdrop right on the apron. These two have nothing but history. Absolutely. Cliff turned on Serza back at our first show of the year in January. Big Steppa sent Serza off on an excursion after he lost the loser leaves OASIS match. He had to find himself after losing to Cliff so many times. He lost in a cage match. He lost in a different kind of match. And another. Plus, let us here right now. I believe the match officially starts once they are chained together. They've been chained together since day one. They started together, both trained by Rick Luxury and Anton Voorhees, one of my own trainers. They're going to take everything they have learned and use it here tonight. Serza's going to use what he's learned at the Fale Dojo. Oh yeah, not only that, they both went on excursion. One to Atlanta, one to New Zealand. Yes, Cliff Hendrix trained with the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes. And Serza went to the Fale Dojo in New Zealand. Referee Gil finally is fixing that dog collar. Theo Gil. Come on, Theo. Oh, Theo! Oh, I'm just gonna go for it! This match technically still has not started. It's not. Oh, beautiful! Big roll suplex out of the corner. Over to the outside now. Oh my God! Serza's calling for the collar. Indeed, he is. The dog collar match, a historic match in our industry. The first one, believe it or not, 44 years ago. Johnny Boyd versus Killer Brooks, Pacific Northwest Wrestling. Really? Yes, probably the most famous one. Starcade 83, Piper versus Valentine. See, I thought that was the first one. It was not. Whipping him with the chain. Right across the scapula. Right across the latissimus dorsi. Still is not endorsed to Cliff Hendrix. This match technically has not started. Serza going to put his own collar on. Serza's trying to fix his own collar. Indeed he is. Serza returned to OASIS back and set it off in June. was a special guest referee in July at Go Time when Cliff took on Dante Daring.
Where the bell?
The bell has been rung.
Where the fucking bell?
The two men who've been chained together for damn near their whole careers put an end to it tonight.
Now, Serza has a bunch of pent-up rage. He was sent away in the loser leaves OASIS match.
Yes, back in Dreams and Nightmares in February.
Dreams and Nightmares. I think Cliff Hendrix has been walking across Serza's nightmares for months now.
He has, but Serza looks like a dog walking in his dog collar match. You're gonna choke? He's gonna choke him with the chain. Cliff says no.
Of course he says no. He's way too early. Serza, give him that chain.
I was using it as a weapon. Has ever got a color match ever? Is Cliff gonna try to put it on his opponent now? Oh no, he's just gonna choke him. Returning the favor, returning the ruthless aggression.
Ruthless aggression.
Serza gasps for air.
Fuck this motherfucker!
Yellow Boots making his opinion known.
Relishing in this.
Relishing in his brother's pain. These are day ones, my friend. These are day ones. This is your brother. Somebody you've gone to war with. Somebody you've stood next to.
Chain is admitted around the neck of Serza. I guess we're truly officially underway now.
Oh! Chains across Serza!
Just whipping him.
He's going for another one. Blasted in the back with that chain link.
Just constantly beating him. Cliff calling for another. You can hear the chain just bounce off of the flesh of Serza.
Cliff laying in those knuckles into the forehead of Serza.
Bouncing that head right off of the apron.
Eli's Mile High Club losing its mind for this first match.
Yeah, ready to start. Serza finding a way back up to his feet.
These two will not stop until one of them is 6 feet under, or a mile and 6 feet under.
This Cliff have in mind here. Oh no! Serza's not gonna have it. Oh, throw him on the dog collar!
There go, Beal in that corner. Regaining his composure. Rewrapping that chain around his own neck.
Serza wants this.
He wants this more than anything.
He wants it in. He wants to, in a way, finish the story, if you will.
He wants to remove the metaphorical shackles.
Looking him for us. Snaps him. Oh no!
Coming up.
Popping the hips like Latino Heat. And another. Can we go for the trifecta? Face first. Big old face first. Eli's Mile High Fighter. Come on. 2, no.
Only 2 for Serza.
You hear the fans getting behind the revolutionary Serza here tonight. Jaguar, I don't think Cliff has a friend in the building.
Hendrix is no Wayne's friend.
Chop right across that chest.
Healing the skin from the chest.
The chain around him now.
Just to make sure he doesn't go anywhere. He's right. Holding him in place.
Oh my
Holding him in
goodness!
place with that chain. Choking the life out of him.
Is Cliff gonna give up? Literally choking the life out of him.
Speeding that corner.
No, Serza shoulder colliding right with that ring post.
That's not a regular ring post. Usually they're round. This one has jagged edges. They cut him right in the face.
Nonetheless, be that as it may, regardless, Cliff Hendrix back in control.
It is across the top. Oh no! Oh no!
This is despicable. Cliff loves it. He loves every single moment to inflict pain on Serza. Taking his time, meticulous shots.
Everybody knows who's having this.
Serza back inside the square circle. The tide is completely turned in this one. Looks like Cliff just taking his time.
Yellow boots right across those white teeth.
Oh, disrespect.
Whatever you're gonna do. You think after all they've been through.
I still don't know what changed in Cliff Hendrix. I don't think we have a real explanation for why. And the corner goes Serza.
I think he just revealed his true form. I think this is who Cliff Hendrix really is. Chain link camel clutch!
I think Serza's fading.
Oh no! Oh no, the life is leaking from his eyes! Oh no, he's passing out!
The breath leaving his body. There we go. Serza's still in it. He's still in the fight. Cliff telling the fans to stop cheering.
Regaining himself.
Oh, he's picking it up. He has him. Let's go. Breaking the pressure, breaking the hold. Oh no, locks in a sleeper. Back into the corner.
Finally, he releases that clutch.
Both competitors are spent. Oh! Elbow straight to the back of the head.
They're showing the wounds of this war.
Indeed he is.
Still confident though.
Cliff signaling for the end.
That's your boy, Cliff. That used to be your boy.
Come on, let's hear it for Serza! Serza!
Cliff Hendrix is confidently, unapologetically toying with Serza, toying with the fans here at Eli's Mile High Club.
Not even an inkling of shame in Cliff's eyes.
Absolutely not. Kissing the fist. No, breaks it down. Oh! Just slapped him. Big slaps. The way Dave Schultz did John Stossel back in the day.
Oh, this is real.
Indeed it is.
Oh my God, I never saw that coming!
Oh, big ol' headbutt.
his own hometown.
Just going for a suplex. X-Plex right near the ropes.
Wait,
Will that chain reach? Will that chain reach?
Is he going to the roof? No way!
He won't be able to reach it.
That's Hendrix. His hate for Serza has grown to this length, to this level. Drops her face first in that roof.
Oh no, he's not going to follow up there, is he?
He's not.
Oh no.
I think he is.
Serza, don't do it.
Serza.
This man can't be stopped.
This is not going to end well for either one of them.
Oh, shooting strikes on top of the roof.
Indeed. Trading blows on top of the roof.
Oh, big old one from Serza brings Cliff to his knee. Cliff responds in kind.
Both competitors down, barely able to stand.
This is not going to end well at all. You know we have 6 more matches tonight? This is only match 1!
I see Serza's wrapped the chain around his arm. Has Cliff done the same?
Throw him! Using the chain as something to chain the knuckle.
Staging the forearm strike. Ducks it. Ripcord with the chain.
Force Cliff Hendrix.
Clobbers him. All the fighting on top of the roof is stopped, but the match still has to end inside of the ring.
Oh, and we can eat the chain!
The fans chanting for Cliff, eat the chain. Oh, wait a second. Oh! The double stomp on the head.
Beating him into the skull. Some movement. He's still alive. He's still with us.
Moving barely. Oh, no. Serza, I'm gonna put you through a lot, but don't do it! You're beating the list! Tossed off the roof! What else does Serza have in mind?
Pulling Cliff back up to the
Wait,
roof.
wait,
No way!
Is he trying to hang him? He's hanging him!
No! Oh, he's on the ground.
He didn't touch him. Oh no! He's fainting.
Aiming for Cliff's eyes.
That's it!
That's it. Cliff still holds the bell.
Serza picks up a massive victory tonight. The Toko's Kickback
Ladies and gentlemen, here's your winner, Serza!
Will not be televised, brother. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be televised, brother. The revolution will put you in the driver's seat. The revolution will not be televised. Will not be televised. Not be televised. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be televised.